Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in this video I want to show you Pepe Ascension that raised almost $1.1 million in their presale, over $1 million so far, where the price per token is going to go up in 1 day from now, and I think you will like this one too. The token itself can be bought on 3 different chains. It's Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, as well as Arbitrum, and on there you can pay in ETH, you can pay in BNB, and you can also pay on Arbitrum in order to have nearly zero fees. So far, they've been featured in most languages out there. Chinese, Indian, any type of language is there. And but they have a short story behind it on how Pepe found that place. What we've seen so far in the market especially, Pepe as a coin is at $5 billion market cap and more. If we head over here to CoinMarketCap and then click on the very first thing, we can see Pepe sitting at a solid $4 billion right now. Keep in mind, memes can go up and down by quite a bit, but recently we peaked at, I think, $11 billion in market cap just for Pepe. So if any Pepe-based token like Pepe Ascension would go to just 1% of that after launch, we would see over $100 million in market cap, which should mean an easily 100 to 200x in here after things are launched. Now, before we go deeper, they've also been featured in a ton of different articles out there, or you might have heard about them and seen them before, talking about everything that they're building and they're launching, in which they build a DEX, a lightning-fast decentralized exchange for seamless token trading, a bridge as well between ETH and the Pepe chain, staking in order to get additional money for staking your tokens, having them and holding them long-term, a developer system behind it, the Pump pad that will offer 2-click launches for meme coins to effortlessly launch them, Pump for Profit, an ETH Layer 2 solution, which means instant transactions at nearly zero gas fees, while also being split in the current way when it comes to tokenomics, 47.5% just the development phase, allocated to the pre-sale over here to get things going, 30% for staking and rewards, 10% for marketing, there's 7.5% for liquidity and only 5% for the team, as they're fully focused on the community behind it to get us as much as we can. And then having 3 different steps in their roadmap, with the phase 1 being the awakening, where Pepe Ascension breaks free from the chains of the outdated Layer 1 system, which is true. Layer 2 solutions are a lot better. Launch of their token PEAP, community building with early supporters and partnerships to establish a strong foundation. Next up, halfway through, we're looking at presale with exclusive rewards for early adopters, launch of the staking and double rewards program to energize the ecosystem, as well as more community engagement and viral campaigns. And then lastly, for now, creating a shockwave in the crypto world and marking the beginning of this golden era. And just like they say over here on crypto.news, time is running before the FOMO frenzy from Pepe Ascension explodes. Now's the gold moment for you to get involved in this high-potential journey with rapid growth and enthusiastic community support. PEAP is unlocking a bright future for smart investors, as the price of that is never going to be lower than it is right now. Would have been best to get into this weeks ago, but now is the second best time. For that, there's also a cashback and referral system behind it, which means if you're interested in that, you can get 5% as a bonus, so you can also send it to your friends. If you're worried about security, they already got audited over here by CoinSold with nothing negative found. Everything in here looks great. And they also have the light paper already if you want to read about this in more detail. But what we need to know right now is that Pepe and memes performed really well last year. And what it looks like, there's this big dip. If you look in crypto overall, look in the entire market, the dip we experience right now is this very small fraction up there. Don't forget, just 2.5 years ago, we sat at 16K for Bitcoin, now at almost 100K. The market is going to recover soon. This is the time when you buy and get exposed to projects early to then make the profit over time once the rest of retail joins back in. And for that, I have my link down below for you guys to check it out. Let me know what you think. I will give you guys more updates along the way on how it goes. We're probably going to close in on $1 million raise in the next week, so better be early. Again, you can buy it with your card or on 3 different chains, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, and on Arbitrum. And let's say you were to put in 1 BNB, so like $500, that would grant you over 100,000 tokens. And with just 2 ETH, you would be a Pepe Ascension millionaire, which means if the token price goes to $1 eventually, you will make over $1 million just for 2 ETH right now.